Hello, I'm Mona and I'm software engineer at Google. I'm going to let you in on a secret. I don't spend my time building AI models from scratch. In fact, most of the world's top engineer don't either. The era of training your own LLM is over. Between Gemini and ChatGPT and the Claude, the gens are already there. We have moved from the era of training to the era of orchestration. The real gold rush right now isn't in knowledge how the neural network works, it's in knowing how to make it work for you. So, I'm starting the series for a specific reason. I have seen the gap. I started with the BCA. I have seen the person trying to figure out how to break into a top tier tech without a traditional path. AI is the great equalizer. It doesn't care about your degree, it cares about your quality of your instructions. And even at the top tech giants, we are seeing a shift. The most valuable engineers aren't the one who can type the fastest. They are the ones who can architect the best prompts and the system. So, if you don't master this now, you are not just failing behind, you are becoming obsolete. And over the next 7 days, I'm stripping away the hype and giving you the best top level playbook. So we aren't just chatting with bots, we are covering what is the craft framework to get the production ready code on the first try, system instructions to automate your professional standards, RAG, retrieval automated augmented generation to ground AI in your private code base, AI evals to move from vibe check to engineer rigor. So, this isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Whether you are a student or a senior dev, the AI revolution is happening in the terminal, not just the chat window. So, subscribe and join the Mona Spective. So, and day one starts tomorrow. Let's build.